Adelaide today for Preston Hire. We just installed the latest Cystic Fibrosis platform. This cause is really important to Marcus and Marika Preston as their nephew suffers from cystic fibrosis. They set a goal that they want to install a platform in every state to help raise awareness and funds to find a cure. This is our third one and the third state, so we're definitely on our way to reaching that goal.
Today is a momentous occasion. We have installed the third platform for cystic fibrosis, and that is all thanks to Preston. This platform is called Orkambi now, and that's because we need the drug Orkambi so that people with cystic fibrosis can extend their lives by up to 25 years. We are fighting government at the moment to get access, and we need all the support we can from the community.
On behalf of John Hollins and a major constructor of hospitals and health campuses throughout Australia, we're absolutely delighted to be involved in this very, very important cause.
Not only is it an awesome site and project that they're working on, but to have the link with cystic fibrosis makes it even better.